In this video, we are going to see how we can enter a product-based purchase invoice in Odoo. So we have the transaction of 8th of January which says purchase of following items from Mr. Daniel. That means we are purchasing these items from our vendor. So let's see the procedure. Just go to the accounting application and from here just click on the vendors and click on bills. Since this is a brand new company and we are creating the bill for the first time, we don't have any bills here. Click on new. And here we just search the name of the vendor, which is Mr. Daniel. Bill reference, we will select any particular reference because we don't have the invoice number in our project. Now under invoice lines, you will notice that we have the label here. And if we click on add a line and we try to enter any particular product, it won't be able to find it because it is not a product based search or column. It's just a label. And you can just directly credit any kind of purchase of services. But this is for the purchase of services. Let me just delete it. I want to add items. Just click on this settings icon right here and add the product here. And now if I click on add a line, it should be able to search for items. So the first item is Corolla windscreen. Corolla windscreen, here it is. Now guys, there needs to be some adjustment because when we purchase any particular inventory item that we are planning to sell in future, it don't automatically just directly go to the cost of goods sold. I need to change this linkage, but I'll show you in future. But right now we will just link it to the inventory because that item is not sold yet. It's kept in the inventory. So stock inventory, I'll use this ledger. Quantity is 20 and rate is 400. Quantity is 20, rate is 400. And let's make the tax to 0 here because we are not considering any kind of taxation in this particular project. So next item is Civic headlights. Again, same ledger. Quantity is 30 and rate is 150. Add line. Next one we have is Prius wheel cups. Here it is. Quantity is 50 and rate is also 50. Tax is 0. And the last item is Prius filters. And here the quantity is 70 and rate is 50. %. And overall the total, let's check it one by one for each line item. So 8,000, 4,500, 2,500, 3,500, 8,000, 4,500, 2,500 and 3,500. All good. Just we have to change the bill date to not today, it's of 8th of January. Accounting date is already set to the end of the month. I'll keep it as it is. We are not receiving any kind of payment, so I don't need to give any payment reference or recipient bank. And due date, let's set the payment terms to 15 days. That means from the bill date, the payment is due in 15 days. So this is all you need to do in order to enter a product based invoice. After that, it is saved as a draft bill. So if I confirm, then it will be tagged as posted instead of draft. So click on confirm and now it's posted. Now let's check the bills, vendors, and go to bills. Here we have this bill. If we open this, we have it here. And if you want to check it, report and balance sheet to see how the inventory reflects in the accounts. Here we have the inventory shown right here. Click on this. And we have this opening inventory and now this one that we have purchased. Perfect entry. This is how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.